I said that with the trailer I was worried about him dying. The proto is Fred! You had it with you in your quarters since the beginning? Fred, don't die, please, I like you. Huh? What? Who is with who? Under your bed? You kept it under your bed? We can't know who is with us anymore. Said it first.
What do you want from me? Nothing. But someone else does.
Why? You are the proto and Tycho. Oh, then you're all alone? I mean, you're brave and honest. What can you do? Monica, be with us, please. Oh, Dan's eyes. That face was priceless. I didn't have a lot of hope for that, you know. Thank you, Monica. You are more disappointed than what I should be.
Too bad. So sad. Bye bye.
You're gonna help us get it back.
Not sure.
You lose. You all lose.
I'm sorry, my dear, but you sounded crazy just right there. And you think that I'm like her? Fred.
We deserve to finish what he was building.
Fred. I said that I thought that we were gonna lose him again because of the trailer. But not so soon, it's only episode 4.
Hear your voice and know that you're safe.
I'm not feeling okay. I love what he did, I love what he wanted.
First,
He was a good ally and
just
Arab.
not forgotten about
They
this.
betrayed him.
The big retest, but no positive.
He died because his men betrayed him.
I'm sorry.
Me
We
too.
did everything we could.
You did.
We don't know for certain if it could have been stopped.
I know I was a coward. Thank you for not disagreeing.
I'm losing hope.
The fight is not over.
I needed you to say that, Chris, right? Poor Fred, I'm really... Oh, they're all feeling like me. All of these persons who died.
Lost company.
So does hope. A little trapped. I know.
You just sounded very familiar.
The watchtower's got a fix.
Target has been eliminated.
I said that we were gonna see Earth exploding. I was not ready for that. They are relieved, but not happy, you know. All of these persons who died during the explosions, and Fred died.
Time to go.
Where? I'm sorry, I'm desperate. Oh, I'm not ready for you to be an assault to your mom again. Not right now, Philip. Kid, I warn you, I'm tired, I'm disappointed, not by the show, but by all of what happened.
What do you think?
Congratulations!
Naomi, I never imagined we'd be speaking face to face again. It's cool to see you again.
Is it a good word for that?
There are other ways to protect Belters than with warships.
Says the one Belter who already has her own warship.
All you've ever wanted is to see your enemies burn.
In some cases, yes, that's true.
That's not right.
You haven't changed at all.
No, I know I have. Raising a child gives you a certain ambition, a primal desire to give your child a better world than the one you were given.
Is that why you had Hosan kidnap me?
Philip brought you here on his own. I thought Philip was a man, but I guess in some ways he's still a little boy. It's his mother.
Shut up.
Such is the...
You're sad that your father is thinking that.
As a family can celebrate the greatest victory in our people's history.
You're not a family.
Together, want to be a surprise.
Ah, no.
You did this.
It's everything we ever dreamed of.
You murdered millions.
Freed all people. And return the dignity to the belt. Future of the belt has begun.
You put blood on our son's hands. Just like you
You're building your future on blood.
I was proud to do my part.
Oh, Philippe.
We helped make this dream a reality.
For you, because of you, to make his dad proud.
One hit would have been our triumph. Two proved our tactical brilliance. The inners will never perceive us as weak again. It's time to let the system know who we are. Naomi,
What?
welcome home.
Oh! You can't believe that she's gonna follow you. She's gonna go on your side. You can't believe that.
You were wrong to leave us.
No! Don't look me.
Oh, that scream! I'm losing up. She's losing up.
My name is Marco Inaros,
We know your name.
commander of the Free Navy. This attack was retribution for generations of atrocities committed by the Inners against innocent Belters.
The worst is the fact that his ideas are not so wrong. People, Belters are gonna follow him.
Will not hesitate to unleash the proto-molecule on either planet. Ring gates and the ring worlds belong to the Belt.
You want the colonies.
Society and culture of the Belt will begin again and remake humanity.
A lot of good words.
We will lead the Belt to a new, better form, a more human form.
You killed humans!
Up now. Rise up now. This day is ours. Tomorrow is ours. Today and forevermore, we are free.
That's the end. I'm seeing it again. The worst part of all of his speech is the fact that what he's saying, you know, some of the things that he's saying are true. They have the right, you know, to be against the Inners after all of what they endured. And of course he's gonna convince people with a speech like that. Of course people are gonna follow him because Belters, you know, they want their time. Finally. I was gonna say to shine, it's not the good word, but you know what I mean by that. But not like that! By killing thousands and thousands of people, not by threatening to kill more of them. I'm hopeless. I don't know my face, you know, but really I'm hopeless right now. Okay, you know what? Let's try to find hope. Can we do that together? Let's try to find hope. Amos with Melba. Merba was in a really bad situation, else this jail was attacked. Maybe they can go out. Because of that, you know, she can escape because all of this place was destroyed and they survived and they're gonna escape. That's it. That's my hope. Don't tell me spoilers on the comments. I see you. Draper and Alex, they're gonna see that black market situation deal. They're gonna have proofs of that. They can do something with it. That's my hope. Alden. The proto was taken away. He didn't succeed at all. Fred died. I can't believe that he died. I mean, it happened so suddenly and they didn't take a lot of time, you know, to say goodbye to him and all. I mean, without the scene, you know, with Alden closing his eyes, I would be like, are we sure that he's dead? Really? You know me, I can be that person. You saw my reactions, all of you, my review after Miller dying for the first time. You saw how much I wanted to believe that he was still alive, even if all of that and all, you know, the proto, all of that, the explosion. Still, I had hope. So, really, right there, without having Alden closing Fred's eyes, I would have been like, maybe he's still alive. He's dead. Fred is dead. I appreciated him, you know. He did bad stuff in his past, but after that he was a good leader, you know. He was a good ally for us, and during some moments I trusted him and I believed into him. He had his own purpose, you know, journeys, ideas and all, but I appreciated the guy. And you know what is the most heartbreaking into his death? It's the fact that he died because his men betrayed him. Some of his men. That... I'm not... You are not nice, guys. Because you told me that I was gonna love her, you know, Saika, I think, something like that. You told me that I was gonna like her, and even more, one of you told me that I reminded you of her. She just killed Fred. Oh, that's not nice at all. Why did you say that? She killed Fred. I really need time, I think, to process the information that Fred is dead. And I said it after the trailer. I thought that he was gonna die because they were showing him too much, so I was like, Fred, I'm worried. But it's episode 4. They have the time to kill someone else now. So, okay, they took the proto. Now Marco is gonna have the proto. What is the hope right there? The fact that Alden has Monica, who has her own sources, you know, about all of what is happening, so maybe she has more information. And the fact that they have Saika and they can get more information. She sounded crazy at the end. Oh! She repaired the Rossi? She worked on the Rossi with her guys? Did we check what she... Oh, Did we check what she did on the Rossi? I'm not gonna be... Oh, I'm gonna be worried about that until we're gonna see the Rossi flying for a long time. The Rossi is not, you know, going on missions and all. Did she do something on the Rossi? My hope right there, she just put cameras, you know, spies on the Rossi. But no, she put... Oh, fuck. Not the Rossi. You... Oh, yeah. You just killed Fred. You can't destroy the Rossi. That's The other person that we're gonna lose before the end of the season, it's the Rossi. That's why they presented us that other warship before. Like, this is gonna be the new Rossi. No, nothing can be like the Rossi. Why am I imagining all of that? No, nothing is gonna happen to the Rossi. Don't tell me on the comments, don't tell me spoilers. I'm even more hopeless now. Okay, so Alden maybe can have more information with all of these persons. Okay. Naomi. It's gonna be hard to find hope right now. She's kidnapped. Marco gave her that speech, like, welcome home. How can you think for even a minute that she's gonna join you? That she's gonna be happy about the fact that you did all of that you killed so many people? Because that was your dreams. It's not hers anymore. And I think that your dream changed a little during the way. And it's not because of Philip, you know, it's not because of the fact that he wants a good future for his son. I mean, maybe, but that's not the reason for why he's doing all of that, not the big one. I think that he truly believes in what he said, you know, at the end of that speech. The fact that he's doing all of that for the Belters, that the Belters deserve to have their time, their moment to shine, and deserve to have all of that. The fact that they are claiming the rings and the colonies, for me, it's okay for the Belters to have their own planet, you know, to have a planet, a place to live, to be safe and all. But it's also about money, about having resources. I'm searching for a reason to have hope for Naomi's situation. Philip is embracing his father's side. He was so... Did you see his face, you know, when Marco said, I didn't say to Philip to kidnap you. He left you alive because he needs his mother, apparently. During that moment, Philip, boom! You know, he lost his smile like, fuck, I disappointed my dad. I think that his admiring is that so much, he doesn't want to disappoint him. Maybe that can be my hope, you know, for Naomi. The fact that Philip didn't kill her and kidnapped her, like he wants his mother to embrace their side also. He has hope for that, Philip. I don't think that we can make him change, but maybe Naomi can bluff. I want to say that's my hope for her, but I'm not really sure. And Chris Wren, she had the time to talk to the ones who could have done stuff, but these persons died before giving the orders. I think that still she talked to people and all because they managed to destroy that rock, but others are coming. I think that they can destroy all of them no matter what. You know, we're not gonna have more explosions, but at the same time we saw that other explosion during the trailer, you know. So that's not all, we're gonna have more. What can she do? You know, Chris Wren, I love her with all of my heart, but what can she do? She doesn't have, you know, the role of the one who can really do and decide stuff. She said all of the information that she has now. I want her to give a speech to people. You know, like Marco just did, just right there. To know that this is not the only way to free people. I mean, I want the Belters to be free. I want them to be okay, to be safe, to have a good life and all. But this is not how you're doing it. By killing all of these people. By killing Fred! I'm still trying to process the information that Fred died. We're not gonna see Fred again. It's not gonna be like Miller, you know. The Proto was not involved. It's not gonna be like Miller, he's not gonna come back. So that's it. That was the end of Fred. See how much I have trouble to process the info? That was the end of Fred. This episode was amazing, really. We had so many good moments, you know. I mean, we have a lot of good scenes, good moments, good lines. All of the casting is wonderful, really. They are all playing so well, and we had so many moments of action, you know, and of big reveals. I mean, I was surprised, shocked, depressed so many times during this episode. You just have to count all of them to know how many good scenes we had, good reveals, good moments of action and all. That's for sure. But also how it was filmed, some moments were brilliant. Like during some moments, I'm thinking, you know, about that moment when they wanted to attack, you know, with Alden and all, and at the end Alden saying, no, this is a trap and all. Since the beginning of this scene, I knew that it was going to be an important one. First, the movement of the camera to get into the place was perfect. It's giving informations with the movement of the camera. It's reminding to the viewers that we are on space and, you know, people are upside down. That's also, you know, bringing a focus on what is happening, like something is happening. And that movement, you know, like a snake, like something is wrong. And the music coming with that, when a lot of moments during this episode were without any music, were really silent. I love that. You know what I think of that? I think that sometimes silence is really more powerful than music. But the music coming during the beginning of that scene made me feel that something was gonna happen. Something that we were not expecting, you know. Not us, you know, as viewers, like they're gonna surprise us and all, but the characters, they are not expecting what is gonna come. And yes, that camera, the music, but also the angles, you know, on the characters and all, I knew before it, you know, that something wrong was gonna happen. They gave me all of these feelings and informations, clues, before it happening. And all of the scene, you know, on itself, the betrayal, I don't want to talk about it, really, I'm offended by it. I'm offended, I'm like, how dare you doing that to Fred, giving him that death? Who are you to kill Fred? You're no one, okay? To kill a man like that. Fuck you. That's it, now I'm mad. Oh, really the step of mourning. But yes, all of that scene was brilliant for a lot of different reasons. How it was written, the lines, and also how it was, you know, done with that, but also how it was filmed, all of the ideas behind it, you know. So great. And of course, how it was played by all of them. And we had a lot of scenes like that, so well done also for all of these reasons during the episode. I think that it's maybe the best episode since the beginning of this season. And yes, I'm not thinking of the episode 2 as being the best of the episode, no matter what, because it was about Amos. No, I'm not like that. I'm considering stuff for what they are really. I can be objective with that. No, that was such a good one. It's leaving me desperate as how, but that was such a good one. For making me feel all of these emotions and leaving me so desperate. Such a good one. I have always the impression that the more we are progressing, the more the episodes are good. Like, I'm thinking about episode 1, I was like, okay, we're feeling the season, we're discovering what the season is gonna be. Episode 2, Amos, I was like, okay, That's hard stuff. Episode 3, Naomi meeting Philip and all of that happening. I was like, okay, stuff happening. We're gonna go into that direction. Woo! Episode 4, I'm like, what? What this season is gonna be? Do you see the evolution of my feelings, but also of this season? Like, and this is only the episode 4. They're gonna leave me at the end of the season. I'm gonna be like, tell me, what did you think about this episode? About all of what happened? Are you as desperate as I am? If you saw things that I didn't see, of course. If you are finding hope in other places than what I just said. Okay, I'm gonna finish this video right now because I need to edit it quick so you can have it tomorrow on Christmas. Merry Christmas, guys! I didn't say it in the intro. Merry Christmas to all of you. But I need to hurry if I want to edit it because of course tomorrow I'm not gonna edit these videos, so I need to hurry. Okay, so it's all for you and for me for today, so it's all for me for now, so bye for now. Bye.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Hey.